In an era where technology and healthcare converge, we stand on the brink of revolutionizing public safety and well-being. Introducing NGen Disinfectant Robot Challenge, a groundbreaking initiative seeking to transform healthcare facilities with autonomous disinfecting robots. Launched in April 2020, this challenge aims to deploy robotic technology to combat healthcare-associated infections, emphasizing rapid development and impact. Our journey into autonomous navigation doesn't stop there. Imagine a campus where food delivery is managed by an autonomous car, utilizing machine learning and sophisticated algorithms to navigate complex terrains, much like the technology behind NGen's disinfecting robots. These innovations exemplify the fusion of robotics and AI in advanced manufacturing, making a pivotal shift towards a future where autonomous machines ensure our environments are clean, safe, and efficient. As we embrace the potential of these technologies, we look forward to a world where advanced manufacturing leads the change in solving real-world problems, transforming public health, safety, and quality of life. Discover more about these life-changing technologies in our blog, The Epitome of Advanced Manufacturing Self-Driving Vehicles. Thank you.